Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
ओके, आज बांगिनीची मीटिंग झाली. किती झाली?
बांगिनीची रिव्ह्यू मीटिंग आली, which we had said that tender document would be kept ready. So it is almost ready and we have gone through it, taken a full review of that, and after going through the document I was satisfied, so I have sent it to CM and let Honorable Chief Minister see that document, the entire tender document, and then it will be out. We will upload it on our website and ask for bids. I feel that we are on the right track, and once Chief Minister approves, the next course of action will start.